Good evening, everyone. Welcome back to the Football Critics. It's your boy Renelson, and I'm joined by my co-host Ntanza Mtima. My boy, how are you? I can see with the smile on your face. With I know Orlando Pirates is winning everything. Yeah, I can see with the smile on your face. yeah,
Yeah, but hey,
no.
kumnandi kwamanje dog. I just hope ukuthi it's gonna continue for the rest of the season. But okwamanje everything khamba kahle yabo.
Okwamanje,
Um,
it's all systems go. Yeah.
yeah, it's all systems go mfethu. Sithemba ukuthi uzoqhubeka kanjalo.
I hope so. Let's just hope so. But hey, man, welcome back, guys. Please like the video, please subscribe, please show some love. We're just doing this for love of the game. Gangnani, we're getting there, and we'll eventually get there with it. So today we're just gonna be doing a PSL mid-season talk. Gonna be talking about Mamelodi Sundowns. Gonna be talking about Kaizer Chiefs. Gonna be talking about Orlando Pirates. We're gonna be talking about Stellenbosch. We're also gonna be talking about Hugo Bros. Season 2 Hugo Bros. Hugo Bros. You know Hugo Bros. Hugo Bros siyamthanda siyabonga usenzele okuhle but angasisukeli. Hugo Bros mustn't start with us. We South Africans, and that says a lot. We South Africans angalinge just sukela umadala Hugo, but hey man, let's get into it. Boy, I just want us to start with Mamelodi Sundowns, ne? So
Mhm.
I think this season there's something different about the Mamelodi Sundowns, and there's something different about how the team is moving. What do I mean by that is there's not much there's not much talk about the Mamelodi Sundowns because of their on-field performances are not as Mamelodi Sundowns. You understand? Yes, they're winning games as vele they should, but khona nje into nje shift away from that club akusekho much, and I'm looking at how they are playing. I'm looking at how I mean, they're winning games, but there just seems to be something off about that club, you know. And I don't know what you wanna say with the Mamelodi Sundowns, man, because of now I'm looking at the players that okay, they introduced Renzi, you know, they introduced to Santos, but there seems to be something lacking. There seems to be something lacking. I don't know what you wanna say about Mamelodi Sundowns.
Yeah, but Sundowns, they are going through a transition period. Yeah, but the problem with the Sundowns right now is that okay, fine. They brought in Cardoso. Obona ukuthi he's trying to play a completely different football from the football that we know as Sundowns, the South African tiki-taka, yabo. And Momozo and Zanjalo, obviously, you're gonna go through a transition period, and manje, the problem is you are doing that with the same players ababedlala the Rulani football, tiki-taka football, yabo. And uyabona ukuthi they're still trying to adjust to it. What keeps Mamelodi Sundowns winning games firstly is the experience of a player, and I feel like I'm a player, they are always hungry to play for the Sundowns, yabo. Lama player we-Sundowns ngakho ngiwancoma mina, ngincoma ama-player kakhulu because ama-player regardless of whoever is the coach is, they still play. They still play for his Sundowns, yabo. They still grind them results for his Sundowns, whether it's gonna be a Rulani, whether it's gonna be a Manqoba Mngqithi, even Cardoso, they're still getting them results. And ibe nebhadi Sundowns ukuthi this season they are going through a transition period when the Orlando Pirates is on the rise. Yabo leyo nto le. So ayizange lokhu nje kamnandi ne-Sundowns, ayizange ihlangane kamnandi. So yeah, man, if Cardoso really wants to go far, it will gonna be up to his board. Will they actually back him to get the players abazodlala isystem yakhe, or will he have to figure out something ngala player now, which is
Yeah.
something that engibona ukuthi izothi bakhawatha kancane. But the transition period yabo is it's not looking good because Mamelodi Sundowns, we've been winning the league for the past 8 seasons. Yabo, now there's an expectation which you have to win it every season. Yabo, so what do you think he
Yeah.
has to do in order for him to keep his job?
So here's what's happening. I looked at Mikel Cardoso from last season. You're right when you're saying they're going through a transition period, but unfortunately, it's taking long, and it's taking something away from the club. You know, it's taking that status away from the club. I'm not taking anything away from Mamelodi Sundowns, but all I'm saying is there's just something off about them. You understand? I looked at them from last season. Cardoso has always wanted to instill whatever philosophy that he wants to instill, but it hasn't been easy. Yeah, I understand that because of, as you've said now, Guti, he wants to move away from the South African tiki-taka to do what, to impose or to instill his philosophy. But unfortunately, his coaching players ukuthi they've been here and bese sebesuke bajwayele that Mamelodi Sundowns type of football. But yes, it's a transition period, but it's taking long. You understand? And unfortunately, as you've just said, Uguti, it's unfortunate Uguti, they're doing this while Orlando Pirates is moving. You understand? And now it shifts the attention away from Mamelodi Sundowns to Orlando Pirates. Hence, I said they're winning games, but ayikho into ekhulunywa kakhulu ngeMamelodi Sundowns. You understand it? Because of everyone is looking at Orlando Pirates. Everyone is saying, okay, Orlando Pirates is out of the Champions League. Orlando Pirates has won 2 cups or has won 2 trophies so far this season. Orlando Pirates is pushing a league. So it's bound to happen, whatever that's happening to Mamelodi Sundowns. Mothi abhekana nama problems la now. You understand? I'm looking at the players la abawathengile futhi. Your Santos, your Rencino. Amachita afika ayazama ukufaka impact laphana, but they're winning games, but akusekho that entertaining a flair about the Mamelodi Sundowns. But yo, it's Mamelodi Sundowns because of Mothi abheka, but Rona bosiwelele you don't understand what's happening. You understand? But moving away from Mamelodi Sundowns, I want us to touch on the Kaizer Chiefs, man. And here's what I want to say about the Kaizer Chiefs, and I'll give you a chance to say your piece. Kaizer Chiefs, I think we've been saying this for the longest time this season. Inkinga, Igu attack. You understand? Is the progress from last season to this season. Motiape Kaizer Chiefs last season, na the way Dalang corner this season. You can see which okay, there's that small progress in terms of them not losing games as much. You understand? Now they're sitting there, we log up there, and it's like okay, there's that progress from last season. But again, my problems is attacking force. Those guys they need to be clinical. Those guys they need to kill chances because of I don't want to talk about the defense. We don't see much of thinking about the defender because of we're not conceding as much goals. We're not losing many games. You understand? But we can't win games. We struggle to win games. We control games, but we can't kill chances. We can't win games. So it's fixing the attack, making sure with much clinical. You understand? And it's making sure that you find the right combinations in the midfield. You understand? And again, our coach, they need to make up their minds in terms of starting 11 abasifieldayo sometimes, in terms of substitutions abawenzayo sometimes. You understand? You look at that game leya Al-Masry and you can see with coach abayenzanga homework. It's evidence. You could see with coach abayenzanga homework because of you look at the starting 11 abasifieldile and then you look at the impact substitutions ayenzile when they were substituted on. You understand? So it's like at times they start wrong players, at times they want to play this system. It's like okay, is no Khalil bashintshana ngama-game ukuthi okay yenza system yakho ne-starting 11 sakho nami next week they need to make up their mind. You understand? I want Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi 19 Jan EPSL maybe I need those guys to hit the ground running. I need the attacking force to kill chances. I need those guys to score goals. You understand? I looked at my comments with video previous about Kaizer Chiefs, and someone said they did score a goal, but it was offside. It's not enough. It's not enough because of there's gonna be games where by vele sizoropwa, or there's gonna be games where by vele itlap izoropwa. So uzokwenza at the end of the game. Are you gonna complain about that one goal that was disallowed? No, you can't. They need to score goals. You understand? They need to score goals so that see ball which okay inkinga zikuphi because of Kanamaji. It's easy to point thinking which okay inkinga lapana ku attacking force. Those guys they can't kill chances because of the defense. The defense is not the best, but they're not conceding goals. They're not making us lose games. You look at the midfielder, yes, games we cut and paste here and there, but we're controlling games. We are able to give Amachita Pambili the ball to be like, okay, it's up to you guys. Do something. Make something out of nothing. I understand. So I think that's all that I want to say about Kaizer Chiefs. They need to fix those things. I'm a decision making of a coach with regards to starting 11, nama-substitutions ne-system abafuna ukudlalisa angeke ufuna ukudlalisa different system every after 2 weeks. This week idlala 3-4-3 ninini 4-4-2 ninini. I understand attacking force. Those guys need to hit the ground running when you come back. I don't know what you wanna add on there.
Yeah, firstly, let me start with coach. Yabo. Firstly, it Chiefs at the moment they are not consistent. Yabo. So if a team are consistent, when as a coach, try and find the right balance scheme. Yabo. Get that right balance scheme and stick to it. Yabo. Uzokwazi uku-rotate mase usubona ukuthi okay i-team has now found momentum, yabo leyo nto leyo. Even ama-substitute player wakho uma engena, they are making an impact, yabo, because ibhola sometimes it's about momentum. I-momentum iboosta ilokhu nje i-confidence within the squad. Then maybe-ke ucoach usengaba-ke aqale aphathwe ikhanda angazi ukuthi akafake bani. But I feel like at the moment it's easy to find a scheme a balance for a Kaizer Chiefs and play that starting 11 consistently game after game. Uthola ama-results, grind ama-results now until uthole momentum, yabo. Then you can start introducing amanye ama-player, yabo. Because yabo, if you keep chopping and changing, i-team ingakahlangani kahle. And uyabona ukuthi ama-player azama kakhulu ukuziprove ukuthi ingakho ne-attacking force inganayo cohesion, because uyabona ukuthi the players they're trying too hard to make an impact, yabo. That's where when our coach you step in, yabo, you find the balance first, yabo, stick to it and then make sure ukuthi club igain momentum, yabo. Because the same thing that happened even naku-what uqala isizini, yabo leyo nto le balance ingekho, yabo. So coach belokhona bethi they need to first find the right starting 11 first, yabo, stick to it, ugena uthola ama-results ngayo, because there is a starting 11 that Chiefs can win games ngayo, yabo. Thola leso starting 11 leso, win games ngayo, stick to it, and then after a team has gained momentum, you can start bringing in other players, yabo. Football is psychological,
Psychological, yeah.
Yeah, so that's my thing, Nang Chiefs. It's coach, find the right balance, yeah, because I don't think it's a lack of effort. I don't think these Chiefs players this season they just don't want to play for the Chiefs. Yeah, but I think we passed that now. We passed that. It's not the previous 2 seasons anymore. Yeah, but so
Yeah.
it's up to our man to find the right balance.
I think ngiyavumelana now, but I just want to remind you of something. You remember, I think a month ago, when I said to you, Kaizer Chiefs bought players, and Kaizer Chiefs hasn't used some of the players that they bought. And you said to me, maybe it might be because of fitness. And I said to you, those guys bebaku pre-season. Namhlanje sikuDecember. Kanyiso Shinga, Ethan Chislett, they still haven't done anything. They still haven't scratched the surface. We can't say it's fitness because we've been seeing them good training. I think it's one of those things whereby Kaizer Chiefs bought players without the coach's approval, and the coach is trying to prove to management because of there's no way ukuthi singathenga these 2 players abo Ikotaro abo Mabowe bafike after and they're able to play, but just those 2 players nothing. But then yeah, let's move it. Do you want to add there, or we can move on to Orlando Pirates?
Yabona leyo, you mentioned something ukuthi you feel like it's it's not signing a coach. Yabona leyo it's another big conversation. Idinga ivideo yayo nayo le.
Idinga ivideo special.
Yeah, I think ivideo yayo special nje about i-Kaizer Chiefs ngalokho and signings and everything.
Yeah.
But yeah, we can move on to Orlando Pirates.
Okay. With Orlando Pirates, before I give you the stage to finish off the video, here's what I want to say. And ungizwe kahle ne? Okay. Orlando Pirates is, yeah, it's a firing machine right now. They're moving. They don't look like a club that's ready to lose a game. They look like a club that has the most chemistry. They look like they're a different beast. They're a different beast. And here's what I want to say. I know we've been saying this since Pirates got knocked out of Champions League. With how Orlando Pirates is moving right now, they've won MTN 8. Yeah, they've won the Carling Cup. They've won this All Stars Cup, Black Label. Here's what I want to say. With how Orlando Pirates is moving this season, they've won trophies. They have all the chemistry. They don't look like a team that's ready to lose a game. I can't even name one team that I think can beat Orlando Pirates right now. If Orlando Pirates doesn't win the season like this, if Orlando Pirates doesn't win the league this season, boy, listen to me. This is the season for Orlando Pirates. This is the season for Orlando Pirates. And if those guys they don't win this league this season, with how they are moving, Arsenal, they'll never win it again. Yeah. This is the season for Orlando Pirates to win the league. I'm saying it now, so December. This is the season for Orlando Pirates to win the league. If Orlando Pirates doesn't win the league this season, then they must just forget about winning it. It's written in the stars. It's written in the stars. So, tell me.
Yeah, and futhi I just saw something, bro. We are 2 points ahead of Sundowns with the game in hand, and it's the first time in a very long time where Sundowns is not number one by Christmas time. For the past 8 seasons, Sundowns is always number one. Yeah. So ngempela dog, this is the season. If it's league sites in 2012, mina angijwayele league as an Orlando Pirates support. Angijwayele, yabo. So this season is the season ekumele siwine because I win, I don't even know what's gonna like izowenzani we mood in that dressing room, but we end up not winning the league. And asina excuse, here's another thing, asina excuse. We have the squad. We are out of it. We are not playing a game having to travel, going to Egypt, just local football. We have ample time ukuthi sikwazi ukufocus e-league. So coach just needs to continue doing what he's doing. Although unawo amaphutha uLekonda uwadi, people nami ngiyamncoma, I'm a biggest fan of him. I feel like strength sakhe is team selection and the ability to read the game and the ability to read the opponent, but he does make mistakes, because even in the final okay, first half we started with Umakawula Benombatha, the midfield was balanced, we were playing well, besingeni lokonja imarumo Gallants, and then fine, he takes off Umakawula because une yellow card, okay, fine. We don't have number 6. Kumele drop Umbatha ukuthi azodlala i6. And then at some stage he takes off Umbatha as well. Now we don't have a number 6. If we're gonna end up winning the game, it's gonna seem like, hey, he's a genius, yonke leyo nto leyo, but what happens if he makes mistakes continuing the season there, and then you start losing games? What will people say? So he needs to be careful. He needs to, because he did even make that mistake against the Imagesi in the quarterfinals at Kalingule Klebu, when he didn't start the season, start about Dansini. There was no number 6 lapha, wabona nane midfield nayo ukuthi seyivulekile. Yabo. Sinenhlanhla ukuthi so far we are not being punished. Yabo. I worry if uzovele enze leyo mistake when we playing a Mamelodi Sundowns or a Kaizer Chiefs. Yabo, or a Sekhukhune. Yabo. And then we get punished. Now what? Yeah. So now he needs to be careful at times. But at the moment, Pella he's winning games, he's winning a trophy, and then fine, we are happy. Yeah, but I just wish we would see akawenza amaphutha that because but awube kubuhlungu and especially now since sesizongena the last part of the season. Mistakes to minimize them as much as you can, like otherwise not winning the league this season. I'm not gonna lie, man. It's gonna be the first time I'm gonna call because of it.
Okay. Here's how I want to close off this video, and I'm going to ask this question up until the end of the season. I'm going to ask you this question up until the end of the season. Is the quadruple dream still alive?
Yeah, it is. He spoke about it now. He spoke about it now. I'm a journalist. He wants to win the Nedbank and the league. It's his next target now. Yeah, well.
No comment. Ngizocomment match.
It's still alive.
Okay, boy. Now I think that's all that I have for today. I'm looking at the time, and I think we need to wrap it up. And then I think we also wanted to touch on Stellenbosch, but I think we'll also do a video of talking about the Stellenbosch, about TS Galaxy, Sekhukhune, and you understand that because of now, may sense that this big three will be in a space for these other clubs. But I think that's all that I have for you guys today. It's your boy Nelson.
To point make sure you smash that like button, subscribe to the channel. We always talk and breathe football in this channel, guys. Please, your support will be much appreciated. See you on the next one, guys. Hola.
Tanko.